Hello, my child. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Are you okay? Yeah, fine. Well, who are you and what are you doing down here? I'm Freddy, and we live up there, and we didn't know that down here was a thing, and we wanted to explore it. What do you mean, we? We, my friends Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy. Are you Freddy Fazbear? Yes. Oh, I'm such a huge fan. Love the hat, love the tie. Thanks. Oh, Freddy, I never thought I'd see you again. What do you mean, again? Wait, who are you? Where are my manners? I'm Puppet. Okay, Puppet, what were you doing down here? It's a long story. I think you should just take me to your friends and I'll explain everything. Okay. Let's go. Freddy's been gone for a while.
Dude, when is Freddy coming? I know! What are you waiting for, matey? What are you waiting for? Matey! What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, matey? Foxy, what the heck are you doing? I'm looking for the camera, Bonnie.
Hi guys. Freddy, you're back! Hey Freddy, did you find anything down there? I found someone down there. I want you guys to meet my new friend, the Puppet. Hello guys.
Yarg, matey. What is that thing?
Foxy, don't be rude. You look familiar. So Puppet, what were you gonna say? Well, I'm down here because I put myself here to keep my father safe. Is your dad Henry Emily? Yes. How did you know that? Well, we found some recording that was him lamenting about how his daughter was murdered and her soul still haunts these walls, the building, and how she sealed herself in a music box to keep a demon at. But I don't really know. It's kind of weird. You see, when someone dies a death as horrible as mine, the agony of that experience stays with you and manifests to something bigger, something worse than anything the human soul could ever do in their whole life. And I kept him here. The agony, she's here and they want everything to die. It knows you're here and it won't spare you.
Charlie.
They're here.
Charlie. Come join me.
Don't hurt my friends.
Charlie, you know very well that you and me have the power. We have the strength, the brains, the speed. Magic of gods. We don't deserve to associate with these crusty, felt bags of flesh. Charlie, get away from them. I won't ask you again. You don't want that, do you?
What was that?
Let's taste death again and again and again.
I won't let you hurt any more people.
Charlie, you are not in a position to make demands.
It's time I deal with you permanently, like I should have done years ago.
Let's end this.
Ah!
Gotten stronger since I last saw you.
We have to help her. There's some barrier I can't get through. The barrier is being powered by agony. We work together, we can vanquish the agony. Freddy, stay out of this. No! You have to break through this barrier now, guys. Let me go. No. Do you feel your heart being consumed by the agony? Drained of every last drop of purity in your soul. Puppet, are you okay? That was very brave of you guys. Well, it's not over yet. Let's go. You cannot destroy me. Be my victim. Huh? I'll see you all soon. Is he dead? Yeah, just to be safe, we better destroy that suit right there. Oh, Mr. Cupcake, I miss you so much. Oh, I love you, Chica, love you. How does this thing still work? Like, we found it at the bottom of a pizzeria. Come on. I think you died. Hey, thanks for saving me back there. Thanks for saving us back there. We think you'll be really good here. So welcome to the band, partner. Thank you, Freddy. I promise I won't let you down.